Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ryobi trimmer blade is probably one of the most important factors determining the performance and longevity of your string trimmer. In this video, we will deep dive into the Ryobi trimmer blade, exploring its features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for your landscaping needs. We will cover everything from its cutting power and durability to its ease of use and overall value, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase decision. Number 5. FourShow Ryobi Bladed Trimmer Head. Say goodbye to tangled trimmer lines. This innovative head makes trimming quick and easy. It's compatible with many Ryobi models. Changing blades is a snap. No tools are needed, simply load the blade directly for a fast replacement. Made from high-quality PA6 nylon, these blades are built to last. Soaking them in water overnight will extend their lifespan. Installation is effortless. Just push it into the trimmer socket, it automatically locks into place. It works with various Ryobi 18V, 24V, and hybrid models. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Since March 10, 2024, we've improved the blade design to prevent it from flying off during use. It's now even more secure. You'll receive one bladed trimmer head and 20 quick load blades, ready to tackle any trimming job. What we like. It features a quick load system, saving you time and effort. The abundance of spare blades ensures you're always prepared. If you need a versatile option compatible with various Ryobi models, this is the one for you. What people say. Cheap and not highly durable but great for edging or heavy weeding without messing with spools. Very easy install, good value for the money. Works as listed, cut quiz good. Snapped right into my Ryobi 1 Plus 18 VP 2008 trimmer. Blades just a little smaller and not quite as thick, but just right for my property. No tool necessary. Number 4. Ryobi Trimmer Parts Kit. This kit is designed to keep your Ryobi trimmer running smoothly. It's got everything you need for quick and easy maintenance. You'll receive a trimmer head, multiple blades, spools, a cap, and screws. It's a complete package to save you time and money. It's compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 18V, 24V, and 40V string trimmers. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. They're made with high-quality ABS and polyamide nylon for durability and long life. Expect efficient cuts with less drag. We offer 24-hour customer support. Contact us if you have any issues, and we'll help you right away. This kit has everything you need, so you won't have to buy parts separately. Get it all at once and save money. What we like. This kit provides everything you need in one package, eliminating the need for multiple purchases. It's made with durable materials for a long lifespan. If you value convenience and want to save money in the long run, this is the best choice. Number 3. Ryobi Trimmer Accessory Kit. This kit is a perfect upgrade for your Ryobi trimmer. It includes everything you need to keep your trimmer running smoothly and efficiently for longer. The improved locking system uses screws instead of plastic latches, making it safer and more durable than ever before. This ensures a secure fit and long-lasting performance. It's made from high-quality polycarbonate, ensuring a long service life. The kit offers exceptional value and reliability. Installation is quick and easy. Simply push it into place, no adapters are needed. You'll be trimming in seconds. The kit contains 6 replacement trimmer heads, 3 spools of line, a spool cap, and all the necessary screws for installation. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. Remember to use it for horizontal trimming only. For vertical cuts, use the included thread cutter reel. Avoid using it on hard surfaces like brick or concrete. What we like. The improved locking mechanism ensures enhanced safety and durability. It's constructed from high-quality materials for lasting performance. If you prioritize safety and ease of use, this is the ideal option. What people say. Works great on brush and thick grass. This kit fits right into the bottom of it for both the blades as well as the cable for trimming. The blade part is a little bit better than most because each of the blades is using a metal grommet, and the part that attaches the blade to the spinning part is also made out of metal. Number 2. Ryobi AC052N1 String Trimmer Accessory. This versatile accessory is designed to enhance your Ryobi auto feed string trimmer. It offers both fixed line and bladed head options for precise trimming. Get the best of both worlds. It easily switches between a fixed line head for detailed work and a bladed head for tougher tasks. The fixed line head provides clean, precise cuts, ideal for edging and trimming around delicate plants. It's perfect for detailed work. The durable bladed head tackles thicker weeds and overgrown areas with ease. It's powerful and efficient for tough jobs. Switching between heads is quick and simple, allowing you to adapt to any trimming need. No special tools are required. This accessory significantly expands the capabilities of your string trimmer, making it a more versatile tool for all your landscaping needs. It's a must-have for any gardener. What we like. This trimmer head offers both line and blade cutting options for ultimate versatility. The auto-feed feature ensures continuous operation. If you need a versatile tool for various trimming tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This turns the light-duty Ryobi line trimmer into at least a medium-duty trimmer. This fixed blade is far superior. I was even able to cut woody plants with ease. The blades looked fine after that too. For normal trimming it works great. Number 1. Ryobi Expanded Triarch Blade. This heavy-duty blade is perfect for tackling tough jobs. It's designed for use with Ryobi expanded brush cutters and offers superior cutting performance. It seamlessly integrates with various Ryobi expanded models, including the RY254BC, RY40255BRC, and RYBRC77. Ensure you check your model's compatibility before purchasing. This blade effortlessly cuts through thick brush and weeds, making light work of landscaping tasks, both at home and professionally. Made from hardened steel, it's built to withstand the rigors of heavy use. It provides optimal durability and a long lifespan. Extend its life even further. It's reversible, allowing you to use both sides for double the cutting power. Installation is a breeze. If you're using the expanded attachment, you'll find clear instructions and the necessary tools included. What we like. Made from hardened steel for exceptional durability, it's built to tackle tough jobs. The reversible design doubles its lifespan. If you need a robust blade for heavy-duty cutting, this is the one to choose. What people say. They are easy to change, just follow the directions in the Ryobi instructions. They are also reversible, so one blade easily lasts me through an entire season of weed whacking. Being metal blades, they are great for cutting down larger weeds and plants up to 1–2 inch in diameter. You can even use them to cut small trees and limbs if you hack at them a bit. The new blade for my Ryobi 2079 R brush cutter attachment couldn't have worked better. As seen in the photos, it made short work of thick weeds, sticks and reeds along a creek bed in my backyard. I would definitely buy this item again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.